Keeping your status board clean and up to date is key to staying on top of your work. Fergus makes this easier with automatic job cleanup settings, which move inactive or outdated jobs into the stale section of your status board. This helps you focus only on the jobs that are active and progressing. Let's walk through how to set it up. First, go to your settings, then scroll down to find automatic job cleanup options. Each setting allows you to choose how many days should pass before a job is considered stale, or you can select never if you prefer to manage that manually. Here's what each option controls. Unpriced jobs. Decide how many days a job can remain unquoted before it's marked as stale. This is great for catching leads that may have slipped through the cracks. Expired quotes and estimates. Set how long an expired quote or estimate should stay in the pricing column before being moved to the stale section. This keeps outdated quotes from lingering on your status board. Inactive jobs. Choose how many days a job can go without any activity before it's automatically moved to stale. Perfect for identifying jobs that have gone cold. And finally, archiving stale jobs. Set how many days after a job becomes stale it should be archived. Archived jobs are removed from your active view, but can still be found via search or the WIP report if needed. You can also fine-tune other timing options for your quotes and invoices. Head to quote settings to adjust how long quotes and estimates stay valid before expiring, and use invoice settings to set your payment terms and define when invoices become overdue. And that's it! By setting up these automatic job cleanup options, you'll save time, reduce clutter, and keep your status board focused on the work that matters most.